I've made my upgraded RadRover into the equivalent of a Cadillac CT5-V. Watch this video. Last February, I told you how I turned my RadRover into a rocket by replacing the stock controller with a 32-amp Bolton controller, and now in this video, I'll divulge how I completed the work towards making it into the two-wheeled equivalent of a Cadillac CT5-V by adding extra comfort features. The RadRover already comes out of the factory with several features that make it comfortable to ride. We're talking here about the step-through frame, which makes it easy to mount and dismount. The front suspension fork enables the bike to absorb the shocks of riding through potholes. It's good for the whole body, but also for the hands, wrists, and arms. The other obvious feature is the set of front and rear fenders for keeping us dry when the road is wet. I then made a few changes and additions that make riding my bike even more pleasant and comfortable. Front and rear racks are very important for carrying stuff. When going on a bike ride, you want to be comfortable when there's a change of weather, so it's important to have a way of carrying extra clothing and rain gear. Although it's pleasant to be riding, it's also important to take rest periods to stop and enjoy the sights. That's when you might want to have a thermos of coffee or a bottle of cold lemonade and something to nibble on. That's also when you'd like to have something to sit on, like a camping chair or a blanket. If you have neck or back pain, you'll want to be seated in an upright position. To enable me to be seated more comfortably, I raised the height of the handlebars by a few inches through the addition of a stem riser as shown here. And I got rid of the original handlebars, which are straight like those of a mountain bike, and replaced them with curved handlebars, making a marked improvement in the ergonomics for upright riding. This picture shows the new handlebars next to the original ones. With the difference of 32 degrees, your closed hands seat themselves comfortably around the hand grips. The most amazing feature that I've added is this SR Suntour suspension seat post. This is an absolutely marvelous invention that revolutionizes bicycle comfort. Have a look and see how it absorbs the shocks. The seat comfort wouldn't be complete without the best saddle on the market for upright seating. Ever since I've had my first e-bike, a Pedigo City Commuter, all my bikes have been equipped with Pedigo saddles. And for those occasions when you want to relax your pedaling cadence, a quick release seat post is very handy to let you quickly change the height of the saddle. Finally, I bled some air out of my fat tires to make them softer to better smooth out the road bumps, and now I keep them at no more than 15 psi in the summer and 8 psi in the winter. But you should use caution when you ride with tires that are too soft. I hope these ideas will help you make your own electric bike more comfortable so you don't end up having to buy one of these four-wheel contraptions. You can support this channel by leaving a like or by leaving a comment. I read all my viewers' comments and respond to them as best I can. And if you haven't already done so, it can help if you subscribe to my channel. If you'd like more information about electric bikes, you might want to visit my website, www.robertberrio.com. Thank you for watching, and remember, never quit cycling.